The process for removing skin tags with tea tree oil is a very long one, and it doesn't always work. It's honest. It doesn't always work for me. As you can tell, I've made multiple videos about this topic, trying to get this one. This one started a couple years ago, rather large. The end of it actually did fall off, and this is the leftover base that kind of grew over the past couple years. And so I've been trying to use the tea tree oil again to dry it up and see if it'll fall off. It was pretty small until a couple days ago, and I was like, F it, I'll try it again. I know now that I am going to swell up if I use this, and so I've kind of just like been holding it on the skin tag itself, just barely kind of getting the liquid on there, trying not to spread it across my face like I had been in the past. This has worked for little skin tags around here, and so I'm trying to just get rid of this one that's been left over for a couple years now, and this one up here on my eye. I know skin tags are usually caused by high cholesterol. Yes, I've gone and gotten a physical. I've had that checked out. My cholesterol was a little high, and I got put on a statin. It brought it down, and now everything checks out fine. I'm still gonna try to get rid of these using this, or I think I might try one of the little bands or something that you put on it. It kind of cuts off the blood flow, but I don't know. I would rather walk around with this than a little band on my face. Maybe I'll just get like a little band-aid to put on top of that. We'll see. I also wanted to share, like, for when I'm washing my face, this is what I've been using. This works really well. And then when I'm done washing my face with that, I'll use this as a moisturizer, and it does have some sunblock in there as well. I'll leave links in the description below for this stuff that I use if you want to go check it out for yourself. Just dropped it off the counter. If you've used any of this stuff before as well, let me know how your treatments have gone and if it's worked for you or not. And if you're ready for another video, go ahead and check me out over here, and I'll see you over there.